Good morning. Excuse the way I look. I am still in my pajamas and my hair is not brushed or anything. It's still in the braid from last night. Um, Today is a packing day for me. My husband and I are moving very soon, so I'm starting to get that stress from packing and just trying to get everything done in a short amount of time. So I'll show you kind of where I'm at right now. Our room is a mess, so I apologize for that. So here in our closet, I have all our dirty laundry and stuff that I'm not even gonna bother washing because I'll just wash it once we move. Cleared out that shelf. I just have that shelf of a few pairs of my shoes that I wear on like a regular basis, and a pair of Logan's shoes. Top shelf was Logan's shoes. Cleared that out and just left up some stuff that I might need to access within the next couple of days. And then I still have to go through all of his clothes and pack that, but I've got most of the top shelf packed. Computer is Logan's job. I'm not even gonna bother. But as far as my clothes go, I've packed most of those and just left out a few for now. I still have all of Nala's stuff, but I'm gonna keep that out the day of because I'll probably just put her somewhere out of the way because she'll freak out. I've packed like some of the bigger coats, but not any of my dresses or dress clothes or anything yet. And that shelf is still being worked on. There's Nala. Hi, baby. My desk is a mess, but I've got a lot of it cleared up. It's just kind of last minute stuff again. And then I still have to go through all of the dressers to clear out all the clothes so that they're easier to carry. I just have an empty box that has like box fillers in it. That stuff is leftover from the wedding and stuff that I was distributing out to friends and family, and so I just have to get that to them. That is my pile of some donation stuff that I have to run to a box. That stuff is like some of our glass drinkware and movie cups and stuff. I don't want to put it out in the garage where I'm keeping all the other boxes though, because I don't know how glass will do in the heat. I still have to pack, obviously, TVs, PS4s. I'm not going to put outside in the garage yet because it's too hot. And I still have to get everything from our bathroom. But this is my last box for the moment, besides that one that has all the like filling in it. So I have to go and get more boxes. So these are the boxes we have so far, just this little pile. And then we have a coffee table, patio table, couch, and some other stuff, luggage. So this is our stuff so far that is ready to go onto a moving truck when we move. Still have to finish a lot more though.
Oh. You ready to move out, Nicole? Yep.
Hey, what's up guys? It's Megan Luna. We moved. I'm standing in our new apartment. My husband is holding the camera, so this is weird for me to not be in control of it. I'm gonna take you on an empty apartment tour. So when you first walk in the door, you come into our pretty good sized living room. I don't know where anything's going yet. And then, where's the light in here? I don't know where the light in here is. Oh. And then right where my husband is standing is our little dining room. Just a little thing. And we have a pantry and our little galley kitchen that has a washer and dryer in the unit, which is a major plus for me. Going down, ooh, the patio. Probably one of my favorite parts. I'm really happy that there's a screen, so when it gets nice out again, I can just leave that door open and let fresh air get in and turn off any AC. But the patio is really large, which is not normal in Arizona apartments. So I'm excited to get some little plants and stuff for out here. And we also have an outdoor storage closet for, I don't know, whatever goes in there. Let's go back inside. So with the kitchen, we also have this little island top. So if we want to get bar stools, we can sit up here. Or if we have guests over, they can sit there as well. So going into the hallway, we first have this really big closet that has its own light inside of it. I thought that was really cool. Oops, sorry. And then next to that, we have our bathroom, which is just your average little bathroom. Bath and shower, toilet, sink. Nothing crazy going on in there. Then we have another little closet that has a bunch of storage. And then going straight into here is my husband's favorite room. It is his new office and his closet. And it's really nice because all of these rooms have fans in them already, so we don't have to invest in fans. And then the last room, the master bedroom, which again is a really good size for an apartment. The only downside is there's no walk-in closet, but like I said, my husband's closet is in the other room, so. So that's pretty much the whole apartment. It's nothing too fancy, but we're not planning on staying here for forever, so I don't really care about any updates. It's a really good size, so there's room for us to grow and just feel really comfortable for the next year or so. Thank you for watching. Bye. Are you still going? Why? Turn it off.